Emergency shelter solutions, quick and effective ways to stay safe. When disaster strikes, having a safe shelter is crucial. Today, I'll show you quick and effective emergency shelter solutions to keep you and your loved ones protected. First, portable shelters like emergency tents are a must. They're lightweight, easy to set up, and available in various sizes. Tarp shelters are another great option. Combine a durable tarp with paracord to create a simple, weatherproof cover. For natural insulation, use materials like leaves or blankets to line your shelter. Space blankets are lightweight and retain heat effectively, making them ideal for cold conditions. If you're in an urban area, identify sturdy indoor spaces like basements or bathrooms. Use furniture like tables for added protection, covering them with blankets or cushions for comfort. Always include shelter supplies in your bug-out bag. Add extra tarps, duct tape, and a small toolkit to help you create temporary shelters on the go. Emergency shelters don't have to be complicated or expensive. These solutions are practical, affordable, and can be life-saving during a crisis. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.